Then, now, forever. Together.
They're here!
3, 2.
The following is a tornado tag team match. On the way to the ring, the Queen.
Ever since I took my spot here at the commentary table, I have wanted to call this match. I cannot wait to finally do it. Here comes the heart of Chase U.
And their opponents, first, representing Chase University from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Thea.
One of the most impressive and maybe a bit overzealous students to come out of Chase University.
But Thea Hale is dead set on proving that she is a grown woman who can get things done on her own. Thea Hale is ready to step up to any challenge.
Hale's set to change the minds of all the doubters and naysayers tonight.
She is the one they have called the future of the women's division.
From Laredo, Texas, Roxanne. Perez.
Before she turned 21 years old, she had already won the first ever NXT Women's Breakout Tournament and the NXT Women's Tag Team titles.
And she has a bright, bright future.
Perez has already been a history maker in NXT, but the future looks even brighter.
You cannot deny that Perez has lived up to the hype and will surely continue to do so. Byron, for any viewers at home who may not know, what exactly is a tornado tag team match?
It's a tag team match minus the tags. Everybody is legal at the same time, which
Unbelievable athleticism. Into the armbar.
that was amazing. Left arm trap, wiggles free. Nicely done.
Well, they say everyone has a plan until they get punched in the mouth. Well, someone just threw their plan out the window.
Nice hip toss. Was definitely not thinking about finesse with that one. Was only thinking about dominance. Strong kick. My goodness.
And with an onslaught of strikes like that, it's clear they have nothing but punishment on their mind.
Big forearm.
Oh, foot just stomping down. Oh, straight forearm.
Oh, walloped by a huge club.
Oh, look at the snapmare. Followed up with a nice drop kick. Exclamation point drop kick.
And she's stunned in the corner. And it looks like she wants to take this match outside. Kick to the stomach.
Foot to the gut.
Perez on the receiving end.
Sent straight to the barricade.
And did you hear the impact of that? She's taking some big hits here.
Yeah, and now it's about Thea maintaining some of this pressure. Oh, yeah, she is really getting fired up.
Oh, what a nasty knee lift.
Knife edge chop.
Oh, that's going to sting.
She has no idea where she is right now. Oh, that backfired out.
Hurricane Rana. Showing off the quickness. That'll turn things around in a hurry.
She thinks she has it. Kicks out of the pinfall attempt.
She likely knew that wasn't enough. She's just keeping the pressure on.
Driven face first. Into the pin attempt. She breaks the count quick.
She's still got a lot of stamina left. Right to the spine.
Wow, breathtaking standing shooting star. That maneuver goes to show you how much speed kills.
Double knee face breaker. Re-entering the ring now.
Uh-oh, look out.
Oh, impressive counter.
Lethal kick. Oh.
And they were just sent flying on that one. This match is wearing her down. Standing shooting star. The cover, shoulders down. And a victory. What a win she picks up here tonight.
Here are your winners, the Queens.
Tag team chemistry in full effect with these two superstars.
What teamwork from these two women. They were in perfect rhythm together throughout that tornado tag match.